Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to export and import the schema in Oracle database. First of all, I am going to connect my Oracle database. Now in this, I have to need to create one directory for taking the backup. So first of all, I am going to create an Oracle directory object. First of all, I am going to check that I am in which directory. Okay, I am going to create one directory in this home folder with name backup. Now you can see the directory is created. Now I am going to create a logical directory in Oracle. For that I have to use create directory. It is needed for taking the DATAPUMP backup EXPDP or IMPDP. DB backup as I am giving the path of the directory. This directory is pointing to this location. And I am going to assign it into system user. I am going to change the password of the system user also. Sorry, user. Sorry, we have to change this from container database. I don't remember the password of system, so I'm doing this from container database. After creating the directory, we can run the backup of HR schema. I'm going to copy paste the command of export import and I'm going to edit that. I am creating directory here, db backup, and my password of system is I'm again verified which directory we created, db backup. So I am using this export dump EXPDP command for exporting the HR schema data to the file hr underscore backup in tmp.dmp, and log file is created in hr export log file. Now pressing enter, it say that it is invalid. So 1 second, I have to connect with pdb2 database because I created a directory in pdb2 database. Now you see it is started. The backup file will be created as hr underscore backup.dump and log file will be stored in hr underscore export.log. This command will take a logical backup of the complete schema including tables, data and objects. I am connecting with another window. I am going to the location to show you the files. You can see that our both files are start created hr underscore backup.dmp hr export.log file. It will take few more seconds and it will complete because hr schema is small. We are using sample schema of Oracle database. In the meantime, I will show you how to import in new schema in the same database. So I'm going to create a new schema. For that, I am going to create one new user. I am assigning the permission to new user so that in import process we do not face any challenge. I created a new schema HR new in the meantime for showing the import purpose. Let's see how the export is working. You can see that our export is completed here. There is the dump file it is generated. Now I will show you the import process. In these steps, I am importing the HR schema into a different schema called HR new. Using remap schema, I can change the source schema to a target schema during import. This is a very useful cloning or testing purpose. Sorry guys. I copy paste the command which I have written. I am mentioning the same because we are using same. If you are using different systems, then you have to create DB backup directory there also. I am using the same database, so I am using same directory. So I need not create directory here. So now I am going to use that hr dot underscore backup dump file which is present in DB backup directory with a new name hr new schema. And we are using log file as import.log. I already created that hr new schema as you see in different windows. You can see our import is started. I will show you by connecting this. Wait a minute, it's not working. You can see both the users are present in this db underscore user command. HR and HR new both are present. This is HR new and this is HR. I will show you HR dot count of the table. From here we will pick jobs table. You can see here is 19 rows in our HR schema. In HR new schema, you can also see the same data. As you see, our import file is completed with one error. So as you see, our data is already in HR new. The error was object type user HR new already exists. It means that the import backup is also trying to create the HR new username, but it already present. So it will throw an error and it will continue. This way we can import or clone the schema with export and import utility that is called DATAPUMP utilities.